This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the painted area so you can remove it cleanly. Open the screenshot and immediately duplicate the background layer. This protects the original. Next, use a selection tool that matches the paint edge: lasso for freehand, magic wand for uniform color, or quick mask for tight control. Once selected, refine the edge with feathering or expand/contract by a few pixels to avoid hard lines. Make sure your selection captures only the paint, so the underlying pixels stay intact. Now you remove the paint and reconstruct the image underneath. Start with content-aware fill or the healing brush. These automate filling based on surrounding texture. If the result looks off, switch to patch or clone stamp and rebuild patterns manually. Work in small sections and constantly sample nearby clean pixels to match grain, color, and lighting. Once done, toggle opacity and blend modes to subtly integrate patched areas. Make sure to zoom out periodically to verify global consistency and natural look. Finish by refining color and texture so the repair disappears. Apply subtle dodge and burn to match local highlights and shadows, and add a tiny amount of noise or grain if the area looks too smooth. This helps blend. Slightly sharpen or blur transition edges to remove visible seams. Once satisfied, save your layered file for future edits and export a flattened copy for sharing. If the fix fails, undo to the duplicate layer and try a different sampling area. That usually resolves bad fills quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.